National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, east central Sauk County.
Dude, Isaac, my my EAS equipment's going off.
Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, east central Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Prairie du Sac, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Dane, Arlington, Bluffview, Merrimack, Harmony Grove, Archie, and Marksville. This includes the following locations: Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, yes. Fucking finally. Finally. Fuck yes.
I didn't get anything because I went real. It's just a fucking night. Damn it.
Wait, what?
I'll be right back.
Alright. Well, I'll just play the 1050 hertz tone and then just jump straight to the EOM. What the hell?